I was pretty bumpy. I had a great time. You can't.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Alright, let Kathleen try her trick now. Alright.
My trick? I can't see what's going on here. There. Alright, so just drink as fast as you can and then burp as hard as you can. Yeah.
Burp?
Yeah.
And I'll do a nuke and your trick.
Like, drink really fast and then burp as hard as you can.
Oh God, don't follow me.
You can belch it. You can belch in his face. That's okay. Okay, it may not work. I had to wait like half an hour once for it to go away. It usually goes away in like 3 seconds. I don't know why. Sometimes it's just random. Like the chick that like went 2 years with hiccups. God, that would suck. Yeah.
Videoing?
Yeah. I'm up in the air.
Where was that? Just don't care.
Yeah. Yeah, bitches.